Hello friends, today we are going to learn the first chapter of ninth algebra, set. In previous PPT, we have just discussed about the sets and how to write the sets. Now here we are going to learn about the methods of writing sets. There are two methods of writing sets. First one is listing or roster method and second one is rule or set builder method. So let us take examples. First one is listing method. For example, n equal to set of natural numbers and another take a set A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and etc. That means it is a set of all even numbers. Third example is a set of all days in a week. So we are going to list only the elements of sets and these are separated by commas and the elements are written only once. So these type of sets are called as a listing method. That means here each of the element written only once, separated by commas, and the order of element is not important. Now take the second method of writing sets. Second method is rule or set builder method. For example, A equal to in curly bracket x such that x is a natural number. That means here the taken variable is x and we have given some condition to the x that x is a natural number. Second one, let b equal to in curly bracket y such that y is a color in the rainbow. Third one is p equal to x such that x is an integer and x taking the values greater than equal to -3 and less than equal to 3. So in this method we write the general element using variable followed by a vertical line and write the property of variable. Let us discuss about some examples in roster form or a listing method. First one, set of natural even numbers. We know that natural numbers are starting from 1 and these are natural set of even numbers. So we have to write the element as 2, 4, 6 and 8 and so on. Okay. Now let the second example, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. We know that the prime numbers have only factors 1 and that number. So actually there are many prime numbers from 1 to 50. That means we can write 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. But the condition is that even prime number. So 2 is the only even prime number. So we have to write the set B as 2. Okay. Now take the third example, 7 basic sounds of Sargam. We know that there are the sounds are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni and sa. So sa is coming twice and here listing method we are taking exactly once. Okay. So here in the set C we can write as sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha and ni. That means it contains 7 sounds. Let us discuss about some examples in rule method. Here are some examples given in a listing method. We have to convert that examples in a rule method. Take first one. In the set A, they have given the element as 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 64, 81 and 100. That means, look at here, 1 is a square of 1, 4 is a square of 2 and 9 is a square of 3 and so on, and we can get 100 because it is a square of 10. That means we can write the set A in rule method as x such that x equal to n square, but this small n is a element of a natural number and we have to give the condition to the small n because it is a greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 10. That means small n can take a value 1 and it can take a value 10 because 1 square is 1. The set is starting from 1 and ending at 100, so we can take n up to 10. Okay, so this is our set a equal to x such that x equal to n square, and n is a natural number and n greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 10. Okay, now take the second example, the set C, S, M, I, L, E. That means it is a set of all these letters. Now we know that these are letters from the word smile. So here we can write this set in the rule method as C equal to, in curly bracket, X such that X is a letter in the word smile. Okay. Now let us take a third example. The set B contains the element 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. That means here it is a just multiple of 6. Okay. That means we can write the set B as, in curly bracket, X such that X equal to 6n. Now note that here n is a natural number and also n is less than equal to 8. That means small n take a value from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Because if we take a value of n is 8, then we can get x equal to 6 into 8. That means we can get x equal to 48. That's why we have to write n is less than equal to 8. This is our required set.